Welcome to My Business Success. If you've ever dreamed of turning what you love into a profitable business, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about how you can transform your passion into a business that not only fulfills you, but also generates income. Many people believe that making money from what you love is just a dream, but it's not only possible, it's achievable with the right steps. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process, showing you how to identify your passion, validate your idea, and start building a business around it. Whether your passion is a hobby, a skill, or something you've always wanted to do, this video will help you understand how to turn it into a profitable venture. So let's get started. Now that we're clear on the importance of turning your passion into a business, let's dive into the first crucial step, identifying your passion and evaluating the market. This is where your journey really begins. First, ask yourself, what are you truly passionate about? What activities or subjects light you up, make you lose track of time, or bring you a sense of fulfillment? Your passion could be anything from cooking, writing, fitness, or even a particular craft or skill. The key is to identify something that you love so much, you would do it even if you weren't getting paid, because the goal here is to start getting paid for it. Once you've identified your passion, it's time to evaluate the market. This means understanding whether there's a demand for what you love to do. Start by researching online to see if other people are already offering similar products or services. Check platforms like Google Trends to see if interest in your area of passion is growing, and look at social media to gauge what people are talking about. Another powerful tool is simply talking to potential customers. Conduct surveys, join online forums, or participate in social media groups related to your passion. Ask people what they need, what they're looking for, and what problems they face that your passion could solve. This will help you understand if there's a viable market and how you can position your business to meet that demand. Remember, identifying your passion is just the first step. To turn it into a profitable business, you need to make sure that there's a market for it and that people are willing to pay for what you offer. Now that you've identified your passion and validated the market, it's time to move on to the next crucial step, creating a minimum viable product, or MVP. This is where your passion starts to take shape as a business. An MVP is the simplest version of your product or service that you can offer to the market. It's not about perfection, it's about getting your idea out there quickly so you can start collecting feedback from real customers. The goal is to test your concept with minimal resources and make improvements based on what you learn. Let's say your passion is baking and you want to start a bakery. Instead of launching a full-scale bakery immediately, you could start by offering a limited selection of your best recipes at a local market or online. This allows you to gauge interest, gather feedback, and make adjustments before investing heavily in a full-scale business. Or if your passion is teaching, you could create a short online course or a series of workshops as your MVP. This way, you can test whether people are willing to pay for your expertise, and you can refine your content based on their responses. The key to a successful MVP is focusing on the core value you're offering. What problem are you solving for your customers? What makes your product or service unique? By keeping your MVP simple and centered on these core elements, you'll be able to move quickly and effectively. Once you've launched your MVP, pay close attention to the feedback you receive. What do your customers love? What do they wish was different? Use this information to iterate and improve your offering. Remember, the MVP is just the beginning. It's the foundation upon which you'll build a successful, profitable business. With your MVP in hand and some initial feedback collected, it's time to tackle one of the most crucial elements of turning your passion into a profitable business: monetization and business models. This is where you determine how your passion will start generating income. The first step involves selecting a monetization strategy that aligns with both your passion and the needs of your target market. There are several ways to monetize your passion, and choosing the right approach depends on the nature of your product or service. Let's explore a few common business models. Selling products. If your passion involves creating physical goods such as art, crafts, or food, you might consider selling your products directly to customers through an online store local markets, or retail partnerships. Providing services, if your passion is based on a skill, such as coaching, consulting, or freelance work, you can offer your services to clients either on a one-time or recurring basis. This model works well for those who want to build a personal brand or offer their expertise. Creating digital products. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, and software are a great way to scale your business. Once you create the product, you can sell it repeatedly without the need for physical inventory. Subscription or membership models. If you're offering ongoing value such as regular content, exclusive access, or community support, a subscription or membership model might be ideal. This provides a steady stream of income and builds a loyal customer base. Affiliate marketing. If your passion involves promoting other people's products or services that you truly believe in, you can earn commissions through affiliate marketing. This model is particularly effective if you have a strong online presence or blog. Once you've chosen a business model, the next step is to price your product or service. Pricing can be tricky, but a good rule of thumb is to consider the value you're providing, your target audience's willingness to pay, and your costs. Don't be afraid to adjust your pricing based on customer feedback and market conditions. By carefully selecting the right monetization strategy and business model, you'll be well on your way to turning your passion into a profitable and sustainable business. With your business model and monetization strategy in place, it's time to focus on building your brand and marketing it effectively. A strong brand is more than just a logo or a catchy slogan. It's the identity of your business and the way you connect with your audience. First, let's talk about brand identity. Your brand should reflect your passion, your values, and the unique qualities that set your business apart from the competition. Start by defining your brand's mission, vision, and values. What do you stand for? What promise do you make to your customers? These elements will help you create a brand that resonates with your target audience. Next, work on your visual identity. This includes your logo, color scheme, and overall design aesthetic. Consistency is key. Your brand should have a cohesive look and feel across all platforms, whether it's your website, social media profiles, or marketing materials. Once your brand identity is established, the next step is digital marketing. In today's world, having an online presence is essential. Start by building a professional website that clearly communicates who you are, what you offer, and why customers should choose you. Make sure your website is user-friendly, mobile optimized, and includes clear calls to action. Social media is another powerful tool for building your brand. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn allow you to engage directly with your audience, share your story, and promote your products or services. Focus on creating content that adds value to your followers, whether it's tips, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes looks at your business. Don't forget about SEO, search engine optimization. Optimizing your website and content for search engines will help potential customers find you more easily online. Use relevant keywords, create high-quality content, and make sure your website is fast and easy to navigate. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Build an email list by offering something valuable like a free guide or a discount in exchange for people's email addresses. Use email campaigns to stay in touch with your audience, promote new products, and share updates about your business. By building a strong brand and implementing effective digital marketing strategies, you'll not only attract more customers, but also create a loyal community that believes in what you do. Now that your brand is established and your digital marketing strategy is in motion, let's talk about how to scale your business and ensure its long-term sustainability. Scaling is all about growing your business in a way that increases your revenue while maintaining or even improving your efficiency and product quality. The first step in scaling is to evaluate your current processes. Look for areas where you can improve efficiency. This might mean automating repetitive tasks, outsourcing certain aspects of your business, or streamlining your operations to reduce costs. For example, if you're spending too much time on manual tasks like inventory management or customer service, consider using software tools that can handle these processes for you. Next, think about expanding your product or service offerings. Once you've established a solid customer base, you can start exploring new ways to serve them. This could involve introducing new products, offering premium services, or even entering new markets. The key here is to build on what's already working while keeping your customers' needs at the forefront. As you scale, it's crucial to maintain the quality of your product or service. Rapid growth can sometimes lead to corners being cut, which can hurt your brand's reputation. Ensure that you have the right systems and team in place to handle increased demand without compromising on quality. This might mean hiring more staff, investing in better equipment, or improving your supply chain management. Another important aspect of scaling is financial management. As your business grows, so do your expenses. Make sure you have a solid financial plan in place to manage cash flow, budget for growth, and handle unexpected costs. This is also a good time to revisit your pricing strategy and make adjustments if necessary. Finally, sustainability is about more than just maintaining your business over time. It's about growing in a way that's ethical and responsible. Consider the environmental and social impact of your business decisions and strive to build a company that contributes positively to society. This approach not only helps the world around you, but also builds a brand that customers can trust and feel good about supporting. By focusing on scaling smartly and sustainably, you'll set your business up for long-term success, ensuring that it remains profitable and impactful as it continues to grow. We've covered a lot of ground in this video, and now it's time to bring it all together. Turning your passion into a profitable business is an exciting journey, but it's also one that requires careful planning, consistent effort, and the willingness to adapt along the way. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed. First, we talked about the importance of identifying your passion and evaluating the market to ensure there's demand for what you love to do. Then we explored how to create a minimum viable product, MVP, to test your idea and gather valuable feedback. From there, we moved on to selecting the right business model and monetization strategy to start generating income. We also discussed the importance of building a strong brand and implementing effective digital marketing strategies. Finally, we covered the steps for scaling your business and ensuring its sustainability over the long term. But remember, knowledge alone isn't enough. The key to success is taking action. The most successful entrepreneurs didn't just learn these principles, they applied them consistently and relentlessly. So, what's your next step? Start by putting what you've learned into practice, whether that means conducting more research, launching your MVP, or refining your branding and marketing efforts. The important thing is to keep moving forward. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now and adjust as you go. And remember, every business journey is unique. There will be challenges along the way, but with the right mindset and tools, you can overcome them and turn your passion into a thriving, profitable business. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies to help you succeed. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos. Now, go out there and start turning your passion into the business you've always dreamed of.